How do we leverage this and scale this while we're doing other things and running our business? So you can have other companies take the phone calls coming in from all these different types of leads for you, right? And so PATLive is a place that you can have them take incoming calls and set appointments and qualify leads for you. Call Porter can do it as well, and ISA Experts Pro can do it. I've had clients that have had pretty good success with PATLive, just so you know. Okay?
Which leads would you not send to PATLive?
There isn't a conceivable lead that I could think of that I wouldn't. If I don't want to take the incoming phone calls, here's ones that I would not send to PATLive. Your bandit signs on wheels and your bandit signs, didn't I say that when people are out in the marketplace and they willfully call, that is a hot lead. I would not have these people take calls directly from your first page of Google for Sell My House Fast. I would take those because those are some of the hottest leads known to mankind. I don't care if you're at the movies, you need to take that call. It doesn't matter what you're doing. I don't care if you're getting a tattoo, tell them to stop and take that call.
What about that one where you have the code and stuff like that? Yeah, tax delinquent.
They can take those. You can hire them to take the tax delinquent phone calls for sure. They're very motivated. They're ready to talk to anybody. So that one I'm 100% okay with. You teaching them, say, hey, give us 2 minutes. We're going to ask how you got in the situation and tell us what's wrong with the property. Give us 48 hours. We'll see what we can do. And I'll have somebody at our office call you back, which would be you. I'm completely fine with that. Okay? But these are companies that can take calls, get the information, tee it up on a platter for you, go have a conversation. As you'll see when I'm done with this section, then we're going to sell or waltz them and find a way to create a win-win situation with homeowners that most investors will never know how to do. Because it's always, well, here's my cash offer and I'm justifying it and here you are, what are we going to do? Like there's way more things that we're going to talk about doing, okay? Bird dogs, I'm skipping this one for a second. We've already talked about that. That is massive leverage, building one of the greatest lists you'll ever have all the time, and nobody can buy that list. People can buy vacant lists. People can buy high equity lists. People can buy pre-foreclosure lists or grab the pre-foreclosure list themselves personally. Everybody has access to that. No one has access to people bringing you houses that need work. It's one of the best lists that you'll cultivate on your own of all time. And remember, it's a lead with a house that needs work. Somebody owns it and is not doing anything with it. By process of elimination, that's a fucking awesome lead. List stacking, we already talked about. We got a video on that, how you stack a list in an Excel spreadsheet. That's a tax delinquent, driving for dollars lead, water disconnect lead, and you can duplicate so you can take thousands of leads and say, okay, this one has multiple infractions. We should hit these faster because there's more things going on that are wrong. See how we want to hit those first? Because there's a much greater likelihood that you're going to strike a deal with that person.